Hello, little learners and explorers. Welcome back to our next video. In today's video, we are going to look at some fun activities in this white book. This is very good for kids to explore, learn new shapes, colors, some activities. As parents, we would love to get this to your kids so that they can engage themselves. So wait for it and let's begin the fun. So here we see some shapes. There's a circle, square, triangle, and heart. This is a yellow circle which we flowers in it. With white hearts on it, and there is a zipper. A zipper you sometimes need two hands for the support. What you do is pull it down, up. Now let us see how to buckle up and also some snaps. So buckling up. Buckle, first opening of the buckle, and then slide it through the second opening and pull it, make it tighter. Here we see some snaps, which also looks like balloons, like a blue, red, green, purple. So snap. gives kids and you guys a nice sensory feeling where you can feel the different textures and learn what it's like. This is the end of my book. This is called my quiet book, busy book. People also call it busy book. It's a good learning activity. So again, these are some shapes, some time, numbers, some buttons, how to open and close the buttons, tying the shoelace, and the shoelace here again. Okay. Some zippers up and down, some button, some snaps, and finally we saw some touch sensing. Thank you, little learners and explorers. Glad you guys like my video. Hope you learned something new. If you did learn something new, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.